Welcome to another episode of Fancy Tech, where we provide you information on the top emerging technology. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date on the newest gadgets and innovations. Environmentally friendly transport is growing now more than ever. Cities are becoming crowded with vehicles, and in some instances, you can't even find a parking space. Riding a bicycle also has its limitations. In a world where we need to make the most out of our day, we do not want to waste it traveling long distances. Yes, riding your bike is great exercise, but when you're wearing clean work clothes, the last thing you want to do is sweat before arriving to your destination. E-bikes are the best of both worlds, allowing you into an environmentally friendly aspect of riding a bicycle with less effort. Today we're going to go over affordable city transportation that you need to buy. First on the list, we have the Strom City e-bike. Feature-packed luxury e-bike, the Strom bike is the best performing e-bike with the battery hidden inside the frame. Fully integrated lighting system allows you to see and be seen while riding in the dark. The battery pack is easily removed from the frame to charge in your home. When attached to the bike, the battery is locked in place with the built-in locking system. When out of charge, this e-bike rides like any other with its 7-speed Shimano gear system. With speeds up to 32 km per hour on level 6, this e-bike can go up to 80 km on a single charge. Available in size options of medium and large, the 3 color options available are matte black, moon gray, or shiny white. Finishing off, this bike comes with puncture-proof tires and rust-free components, ensuring long life and reliability is built into every bike. The One is the next e-bike on the list. This bike is promoted as the world's lightest folding electric bike. One downside to a normal-sized bike is the lack of storage individuals have in an apartment or condo within a city. Each of these bikes is made with a lightweight magnesium alloy that is 35% lighter as compared to aluminum bikes of the same size. The motor on this bike was also specifically designed to weigh 65% of a conventional 250-watt high-speed hub motor. In total, this bike comes in at a weight of 12.5 kilograms. With the quick and easy folding mechanism, the bike folds to a width of 25 centimeters within 10 seconds. The battery is built into the seat post so it can easily be removed when a charge is needed, all while preventing someone from stealing the bike. The top speed of this compact city bike is 32 km per hour. This bike boasts a unique, sleek look with its patented framework and hidden wiring. Buy one of these with a travel bag and take it anywhere you go. Third on the list is the AMX electric bike. This electric bike looks and rides like a bike with extra features. Sensors built into the pedals amplifies your movement to make your ride fast and effortless. The removable lithium battery pack for this bike is about the size of a water bottle and can be bubbled up as a USB-C power supply to charge your phone or laptop. The motor built into the rear wheel is super silent and needs no maintenance. Greasy chains are no issue when owning this bike, as the gears are driven by a very durable belt. Belts are a great way to cut down on noise as well. Bigger tires come with this bike to ensure the bike will go anywhere you want to go. Mud guards are an option on this bike, and they will keep your pants dry when riding through puddles or muddy terrain. The philosophy behind the bike is to deliver powerful electric assist and premium features while keeping a clean and lightweight design. Fourth on the list is the Stream UR Ultra Comfy Folding E-Bike. Most foldable bikes are not made with comfort built in. They are designed to just fold away. The Stream UR designed their bike around comfort. Its innovative rubber anti-vibration damping system provides the user with the most enjoyable riding experience whether on trail or in the city. The suspension system can absorb 95% of vibrations in the road, all while staying small, compact, and lightweight. Each frame is built out of rust-resistant magnesium alloy that reduces weight and is recognized as an environmentally friendly material. With added pedaling efforts with electronic assist, this bike can easily reach up to 40 km/h. Just like the folding bike, this e-bike has a battery hidden in the seat post and can last for 80 kilometers on a single charge. Bottom rollers on the bike and magnets to hold the bike together pair up to make this bike easy to move around when folded. If you are looking for comfort and storage ability, this bike is for you. Next up, we have the X1 e-bike. This bike is truly the bike of the future. With an all-new aluminum composite frame and carbon fiber fork, this super luxurious aerodynamic bike comes in a super lightweight of 48 pounds. This is the only e-bike on the list with smart controls and a touchscreen. Facial recognition recognizes each of the bike users to remember their unique personal settings. Even your turn signals are activated by the built-in hands-free functions. Regenerative braking is an added feature that greatly improves on your distance traveled. Just backpedal or use the handbrake to initiate the regenerative braking to increase on your battery life. Smart lighting turns on automatically when needed to make riding at all hours of the day safer. The battery is also removable on this bike to allow for easy charging and can be charged within 2.5 hours. X1 is a bike that is built with minimalist appeal but to be comfortable and ergonomic at the same time. Second last on the list is the Juiced Scorpion. This bike is like no other e-bike on the market. Built to look like an old moped but packed with loads of options and performance, this bike is turning heads. Its 52-volt battery is what set the bike apart from the rest. It delivers amazing power to the 750-watt motor, which provides amazing torque and speed. Full suspension of this bike does not make it the lightest bike on the market, but it provides a rider with smooth, unprecedented comfort while on the go. The LED motorcycle-style headlight lights up the road ahead with ease. Locking out the front suspension can aid when driving on smooth terrain rather than bumpy roads. With functional wrap and strong design, this bike will sure stand out from the rest. The seventh and final e-bike on the list is the Paca. This is the most affordable cargo e-bike on the market. Running out on errands, biking to work, or simply enjoying the day with your kids can all be done with this bike. Multi-modular packing system will allow you to pack this bike in over 200 different ways. 200 pounds of cargo can be added to this e-bike, all while providing convenience and rider comfort. Dual batteries are added to the bike, so a distance of 70 miles can be achieved while loaded with cargo. Smart mounting points are also built in so the modular racks can be installed and removed within seconds. Get this bike to handle any cargo situation and ride in style. Subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss more videos on emerging affordable city transportation and much more. Take care.